Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making tasty Thecha mushrooms. Thecha is a spicy specialty of Maharashtra. So let's see this interesting recipe without any further ado. Let's begin. Now let's see how to clean the mushrooms. Pull off the outer layer of the mushrooms like so. This comes off very easily. Do not wash the mushrooms as mushrooms act like a sponge and it will soak in all the water which will make it difficult in cooking. Doing like so will clean the mushrooms thoroughly without any traces of mud. Trim off the ends and remove the outer thin layer. Finally, just wipe it with a dry tissue and the mushrooms are ready for cooking. I'm cutting the mushrooms like so. You can cut it in any shape of your choice. Take a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. We'll begin with making the thecha. For this, I have taken 12 cloves of garlic, 10 green chilies. Do not worry about the number of green chilies. As it gets fried, the spice level goes down. Add 1 tablespoon of peanuts. Now fry this all very well till it turns golden brown like so. Now switch off the flame, transfer it to another plate and let it cool down. Once the mix cools down, add 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves and pound all this together very well. If you do not have a mortar and pestle, you can pulse it in a mixer jar. Pound this all together and keep it aside. Now in the same oil, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once this starts to splutter, add onions. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized onions cut in bulb like so. Add some salt and sautee till it turns translucent like so. Now add the thecha and sautee for a couple of minutes. Now add the mushrooms. Give it a nice mix. Now close the lid and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 1 cup of hot water. Mix it well and now close the lid again and cook for 7 to 8 minutes on low to medium flame. After 8 minutes, the mushrooms are cooked very well. Now open the lid and saute for another 5 minutes till all the moisture goes off. This helps the mushroom to roast well. Roast till you see a layer of oil around the mushrooms like so. And that's it. Our delicious thecha mushrooms are ready to be served. Let's do the plating. You can enjoy these mushrooms with chapati, rice or bread. Hope you have liked the recipe. Do try this. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.